Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that many face when dealing with multicast traffic on a radio network. The problem at hand is figuring out how to restrict access to this traffic only to trusted subscribers, rather than letting anyone who joins the multicast group have a peek. It's a real head-scratcher, isn't it? Moving on to the solution, one way to tackle this issue is through encryption. Just like how Wi-Fi secures its broadcast traffic, encryption can help ensure that only authorized recipients can make sense of the multicast data. If encryption isn't an option, authentication might come to the rescue. By adding fake data that only authorized recipients can decipher, you can add an extra layer of security to your multicast traffic. Solution aside, it's important to grasp that multicast inherently lacks a way to restrict joins beyond client-facing routers. Even routers just a step above the clients can't distinguish between individual subscribers. So while authorized client A enjoys the multicast group, there's no stopping unauthorized client B. It's a bit of a free-for-all at that level. Tricky, right? In a nutshell, when it comes to controlling who can access multicast traffic on a radio network, encryption and authentication are your best buddies. These tools can help you ensure that only trusted subscribers get a ticket to the multicast party. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy networking!